Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial: Aussie homeowner finds python behind picture frame. In a remarkable incident in Australia, a homeowner discovered a python hidden behind a picture frame in their living room. This surprising event highlights the unexpected encounters people can have with wildlife, even in urban settings. Not only does the story capture the adventurous spirit of nature, but it also serves as a reminder of the importance of wildlife awareness in residential areas. Background: pythons are non-venomous constrictors that can be found in various habitats across Australia. They are generally shy and prefer to avoid human interaction, but they can sometimes wander into homes in search of food or shelter. The Australian environment is rich with wildlife, and residents may occasionally find themselves face to face with creatures like pythons. The discovery: in this particular case, the homeowner noticed a disturbance around their picture frame. Upon closer inspection, they found a python coiled up and resting behind it. The homeowner immediately contacted local wildlife services for help. Fortunately, trained professionals can safely relocate such creatures without harm to the animal or the residents. Python safety tips: if you ever find a python or any other snake in your home, here are some important safety tips to consider. 1. Stay calm, do not panic. Most snakes are not aggressive and will avoid confrontation. 2. Keep your distance, maintain a safe distance from the snake to avoid startling it. 3. Do not attempt to handle the snake, this can be dangerous and may lead to bites. 4. Contact professionals, call local wildlife control or animal services to handle the situation. 5. Seal entry points, after the snake is removed, ensure that your home is secure by sealing gaps and entry points to prevent future visits. Code example: simulating a python finder. To illustrate the concept of finding a python in a home, we can create a simple simulation using Python code. This code will randomly determine whether a python is found behind a picture frame when the homeowner checks. Explanation of the code: 1. Importing libraries, we import the random library to generate random outcomes. 2. Function check behind frame, this function simulates the action of checking behind a picture frame. It randomly chooses true or false to represent whether a python is found. 3. Conditional logic, if a python is found, it returns a message indicating the discovery, otherwise, it informs the user that there is no python. 4. Main block, the simulation starts by calling the function and printing the result. Conclusion: this tutorial illustrates a fascinating encounter with wildlife and provides insight into what to do if you find a python in your home. The accompanying code example serves as a fun way to simulate the discovery of a python behind a picture frame. Always remember to respect wildlife and prioritize safety in any unexpected encounters.